A lot of riders focus on horsepower, accessories, or upgrades, but your tires have a bigger impact on the ride than almost anything else. The right set of tires can improve grip, handling, comfort, and confidence, while the wrong ones can make even a great motorcycle feel less enjoyable on the road. So in this video, I'm going through the 7 best motorcycle tires that can truly transform your ride. These tires stand out for performance, durability, and overall riding experience. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these motorcycle tires aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Dunlop RoadSmart 4 GT. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This tire is for riders who want real performance. It gives you sharp handling, solid wet grip, and long-lasting tread without spending top dollar to get it. And it really stands out when it comes to handling. It's the most agile tire in the entire test field. The moment you lean into a corner, it responds quickly and stays planted. It doesn't get sluggish or vague. That feeling stays consistent even as the tire wears down, which is impressive. Wet conditions don't scare it either. Grip comes in early, and you can feel the limit before you reach it. That predictability matters a lot when the road gets slippery. Traction is above average and braking stays confident. And as for the tread life, it wears evenly across the front and rear, which means you're not replacing one side ahead of the other. Dunlop actually claims a 26% improvement in mileage over its already strong predecessor. That's real money saved over time. One buyer wrote, "Excellent tire. I've had Continental, Metzler, Shinko, and Michelin. But this Dunlop by far outperformed them all in my opinion, which has run on a ZX14R Ninja. We'll be buying the Dunlop rear tire very soon. Everything it advertises to do, it does it exceedingly well." So if you want a sport touring tire that handles well, grips in the wet, and lasts without making your wallet cry, the Dunlop RoadSmart 4 GT is exactly what you're looking for. Number 6 is the Pirelli Angel GT2. This is the best sport touring tire on our list. This tire is special because it handles the corners really well. It doesn't dart in as quickly as the Dunlop, but once it's leaned over, it feels incredibly stable and planted. That neutral steering through the full lean range gives you real confidence, especially when you're pushing the pace on winding roads. And once the tire warms up, the grip feedback is crystal clear, and you always know where the limit is. Wet roads don't change that picture much either. The grooves are arranged specifically to drain water fast, both front and rear. Plus, the braking stays short and controlled. Cornering grip stays strong. And the tire announces when it's about to let go so you're never caught off guard. And here's what Connor wrote. "Put these on my Ninja 6 3/6 fit perfectly and have a nice compound down the center through making it nice for long flat rides. I've had mine for a few weeks. I'm starting to flatten out my middle, but that's due to one too many wheelies low L. Great tire I will be buying again." And then there's the wear. Front and rear both hold up exceptionally well. This thing is built to go the distance without losing what makes it good. It's rated for speeds above 168 miles per hour, so you're gonna have plenty of headroom there too. It sits on the pricier end of the lineup, but for what you get performance, longevity, and wet weather confidence, it earns every bit of that. So if you want a sport touring tire that performs hard and lasts long, the Pirelli Angel GT2 is tough to beat. Number 5 is the Continental Road Attack 4 GT. This is the best handling tire on our list. When it comes to straight line confidence with brakes, this tire separates itself from the rest. On dry roads, it's a sporty, stable tire. It steers a bit slower than the agile ones in this group, but that actually works in its favor on highways and fast sweepers where straight line stability matters more than quick flick in. It feels planted and predictable at speed. And wet braking is genuinely impressive. It finished second in the entire test just behind the Metzler, which is a big deal for a tire in this category. Even when things get slippery, its stopping power stays strong and confident. There's also a slick area built into the upper shoulder of the tread. That gives you extra cornering grip at high lean angles, so aggressive turns don't feel sketchy. And the carcass construction is designed to absorb road impacts better, which helps on longer rides where fatigue starts to add up. Plus, wear is consistent across front and rear too, and the tire barely changes how it feels as it gets used up. It means performance stays reliable throughout its life. So if you want a sport touring tire that excels at wet braking and stays rock solid at speed, the Continental Road Attack 4GT is the one to go with. Number 4 is the Bridgestone Battlack Sport Touring T32. This is the best wet weather touring tire on our list. When it's raining and the roads are slick, this is the tire you want under you. The T32 was built to handle water better. Pulse groove technology in the tread pattern pushes water out from under the tire faster, so you stay in contact with the road even when it's pouring. And the silica-rich compound works alongside that to keep the grip strong in the wet. Braking in the rain is 7% shorter compared to its predecessor, the T31, and that's without giving up any wear life. That's a meaningful improvement when you actually need to stop fast on a wet road. The rear contact patch is also 13% larger than before, which means more of the tire is touching the road at any given moment. And you feel more grip, better feedback, and more control when leaning through a wet bend. Where it does fall short is in long-term wear. As the tread gets used up, the wet performance starts to drop off and the front wears faster than you'd want. So it's something to keep in mind. So if wet weather confidence is your top priority on a touring bike, the Bridgestone Battlack T32 is the one built for exactly that. And if you want to know the latest prices for the motorcycle tires discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Dunlop Elite 4. This is the best long-distance touring tire on our list. This tire has multi-tread technology on the rear. The center of the tire uses a harder, longer-wearing compound for all those straight highway miles. Then the shoulders use a softer, grippier compound for when the road starts to bend. 2 different rubber types, 1 tire, and it works. You're gonna have mileage without giving up the handling. Now, the tread pattern is designed to wear evenly from day 1 to the end of the tire's life. That matters on long trips because uneven wear means the ride changes over time, and it stays consistent. The road noise stays low too, which you really appreciate after a few hundred miles. Wet roads aren't a problem either. The pattern is built to handle standing water well, and you're not white-knuckling it every time the sky opens up on a long ride. It also fits a huge range of touring, cruiser, and standard bikes. You'll have radial and bias ply options, so finding the right fit is rarely an issue. So if you spend serious time on the highway and want a tire that just keeps going, the Dunlop Elite 4 is exactly what you need. Number 2 is the Pirelli Night Dragon. This is the best cruiser tire on our list. This tire is built around the way cruiser riders actually ride. It has strong grip in both dry and wet conditions. The tread pattern is designed to keep as much rubber touching the road as possible at all times. It gives you that confident, planted feeling whether you're on a dry highway or riding through light rain. It handles both without making you think twice. Stability at speed is solid too. It's rated up to 130 miles per hour, and at those speeds, it stays composed and predictable. It doesn't wobble or show vagueness. Rather, it gives you clean and controlled handling. And the load index is high enough to handle heavier cruiser builds without any issues. What a lot of cruiser riders will really appreciate is how smooth and quiet this tire is. Vibration stays low, road noise stays low, and after a few hours in the saddle, that stuff genuinely matters. Long rides feel less punishing. It's also a reinforced tubeless design, which means it fits a wide range of cruiser models without much hassle finding the right setup. And as for the durability, the materials are built to last, so you're not swapping tires every season. So if you ride a cruiser and want a tire that was actually designed for it, the Pirelli Night Dragon is your best pick. Number 1 is the Michelin Road 6 GT. This is the best overall tire on our list. The best thing about this tire is the feedback. On dry roads, the grip communication is incredibly clear. You always know exactly how much traction you have, even at deeper lean angles. And at cooler temperatures, when most tires go quiet and vague, this one still tells you what's happening. In the wet, it's just as sharp. It posted the fastest wet handling time in the whole test. Cornering in the rain feels controlled and confident, and acceleration out of wet corners has a slight edge over everything else here. Then there's the wear. It had the lowest tread loss on both front and rear across the entire test. and as it wears down, performance barely drops. Most tires get worse as they age. This one just keeps going. Michelin also built in a 10% improvement in tread life over the previous generation, backed by over 20 years of sport touring development. It does come at a premium price, but across every single category, dry, wet, and wear. And nothing else in this test comes close. So if you want the best sport touring tire money can buy, the Michelin Road 6 GT is the clear answer. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect motorcycle tire. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each motorcycle tire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.